picture and it starts. Okay? As you can see, you can't hardly see that, but yeah. But tomorrow I'll try to upload some videos if it ain't raining or nothing. So yeah, there's a go-kart. It's torn up. We're gonna have to get it fixed. We need a new chain for it. Yep. And here we go, down the hill. Long ago, on my brother's account, if you go see it, Caden fishing, we were like a mile away from the house, literally. And I had to go get the gas tank. I had to run all the way back, then get the gas tank and run all the way back. So yeah, and so that after we done that, yeah, it was pretty crazy. As you can see, the moon. Yep, and yeah, we're going to the picture. In a second, I'll drive the lawnmower, and my brother's gonna record. Yeah, I'm gonna record my phone, so I can get my face. He's up there driving the lawnmower right there. Sorry that y'all can't see nothing, but yeah, tomorrow I promise I'll try to get on this phone and get record another video so y'all can see it, okay? So make sure, please give me some followers. Please give me some followers now, please. And that cut off just a second ago, bro. There's my Mimi in her laundry room. We're at our Mimi's right now. In a few days, we'll be going somewhere I can't stay because you might rob it. We don't want to get that to happen. We're going north up about 5 hours away from here. There's that house, there's my papa's car, and there's that house, and you can see a lot of things up here. You like our house? This barn my papa built when he was a kid. Well, not when he was a kid, when he was about 20 or something. He built that barn too. And every single day he got home from high school or something, he would work on it. Our papa, by the way, this lawnmower does not have a deck. This lawnmower don't have a deck because my papa took it off because it's real dangerous and because he didn't want us to flip over and hit the blade. Because I'm only 12, my brother's 13, Caden, and so yeah, my Dallas that lives in North Carolina, and my brother is 17, no 16. He's about to turn 17, I believe. So yeah, so I might probably get to end this video because I'm about to ask my brother, can I drive? Can I drive right quick? Because I'm kind of bored, and I let him post because he knows how to post better than me. So yeah, I'm about to go ask him in a minute. I'll just keep on recording and keep talking like part 2, part 1. I'll make short videos and all that every single day. Like maybe like outdoor videos, maybe fishing videos, maybe I might post them. I might take pictures of my fish and stuff because we go fishing all day long just about. So whenever we go back fishing, and I'll also send you some pictures of the place we're going to, and now we're going down this long freaking path from about a mile away. We broke down that. We're so crazy kids out here. Crazy kids, bro. By the way, I'm a boy. If I sound like a girl, I don't know why, because my phone's cracked in different places. Yeah. So yeah, I ain't gonna talk no more. I'm just gonna show you the picture. I might talk some though. We're out in the breeze. Okay, peace out. I'm gonna make it a part 2.